This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's such a delight to meet with you in this online lesson setting. In this video, I'm going to go over a finger picking pattern that we haven't done before. Right now, we're working on finger picking patterns in the lesson series. So this is super fun. This one works for 4/4 time. After I've gone over it, we'll jam on a couple chord progressions using this pattern. And of course, as we're jamming, we'll have bass and drums accompaniment, which is super fun. This video accompanies lesson 10 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to start here on page 65. This is finger picking pattern number 29, found there on page 65. All right, so let's take a look at it. First, we're going to be in standard positioning. I'm going to demonstrate it with an E minor chord. So that means my thumb is going to pluck the low 6th string. As the thumb plucks the lowest note of the chord, or the bass note of the chord, then index is going to pluck that 3rd string, middle is going to pluck the 2nd, and ring is going to pluck the top string. We start off with a thumb and index pinch, so just those two notes at the same time, and then ring and middle. So P-I-A-M. Make sure that that first one ends up with a quarter note length of time compared to the 8th notes here. Then we have thumb, index, ring, middle. So P-I-A-M, P-I-A-M. So practice that at different tempos. We're going to be playing in the key of E minor. So we're going to use E minor, A minor, and B7 sums. So let's just warm up with a little chord progression going from E minor to A minor to B7. Now if you need to practice it with each of those chords first, that's okay, but right here in the video, I'll just go ahead and play that chord progression. So you'd have ready and go and. Could take it a little faster, ready and go and. Of course, once we've done that, it's time to start jamming. So the chord progressions that we're going to play with this video are first number 6 found on page 65. Number 6 on page 65. Then we're going to go to page 42 and do number 5. Now on that one, it's actually written in 3/4 time, but we're going to play it as though it's 4/4 time. So we'll still insert this once per measure. So that's how that one will work. Each is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So it's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and play it. Okay, awesome. In the next video, we're going to do fingerpicking pattern number 30, which is the Travis pick. So that's going to be super great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.